Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we could return back to discussion of the gold market, since as you can see the activity finally has returned back to the gold market, and right now we have the subject for analysis, and this recent drop is really very important for us because it just confirms that our expectations that we have discussed in the recent month were correct. And indeed, this drop has become the culmination of different factors, as the fundamentals, technical, sentimental factors. So, it's really what we have expected is coming to life. But this drop has really special meaning, not just because of some trade opportunities or something of that sort, but also because it confirms our very long-term view on the gold market. To not confuse you too much, because we have different view on the gold market depending on the time frame. So we could say that on the perspective of some years, we have the bullish view. On perspective of 3 months, we have the bearish view. On the perspective of probably 1 week, we have the bullish view. On perspective of 2-3 weeks, we have the bearish view. So just do not confuse you too much, because not everybody could freely work with the different time frames, multiple time frames analysis, and not everybody understands this clear. I will show you on the chart what really we expect to see on the gold market. So today we will take a look on a bit wider picture, start from the monthly chart. I will not repeat all analysis that we have bring in our weekly research. I will just show you on the chart what we expect to get, what real our view on the gold market. So on the monthly chart, we mostly expect to get reverse hand shoulders pattern. That's why, as you can see, as I said, with the perspective of some years, we have the bullish view on the market. So we think that gold market will create the new top within the few years, and these tops will be taken out, and the market, we probably will see the gold market on the levels above the 2000 market. So with the perspective on the long term, the few years, we have the bullish view on the gold market. Still, before this action will happen, we need to see that this hand shoulders pattern will be formed, and this hand shoulders will start to work. That's why, in the perspective of the 3 months till the end of the year, we have the bearish view on the market, and we expect retracement down to the 1160, 1180 area. That being said, first leg that we would like to get is this one, then upward continuation. This is major long-term picture that we have on the gold. Speaking on the shorter perspective, how particularly this action will develop, we will take a look at the weekly chart. So now we're speaking on that swing. We will not talk about this one because it's too long and already we have talked about it. So currently we're mostly interested with this swing. How we think it will develop. On the weekly chart, guys, we think that currently market will show minor bounce up, because you can see market stands in the confluence support and the weekly oversold, and normally technically market should show minor bounce, but then we expect continuation right back down. After that, we think that some retracement could happen, significant retracement, and we could get some kind of the A, B, C top, D pattern that should lead us precisely to the bottom of the right shoulder on the monthly chart. So we think that downward action here will take the shape some kind of the ABCD action. Why? Because if you'll take a look at this part, you will see that we could get the hand shoulders pattern. So this is left shoulder, head. This could become the right shoulder. But as market hasn't reached yet the potential neckline, here probably retracement should not be too significant. That's our view. So downward action should take the shape ABCD. That will be the strategical point for our long entry on the monthly chart, and then we expect the starting of the new bull trend. Now about very short-term situation, what we will see on the next week, in the beginning of the week. Here, guys, we see very important moment. As I said, market stands at the daily confidence support and daily oversold. In fact, we have here bullish Napoli stretch pattern. But since we have very strong downward action, trends are bearish on every time frame, we do not call you to trade, to make any long trades on the gold market. For us, if any retracement will happen, for us, the major purpose of this retracement is opportunity for taking the short position. That's our main target. Would you like to trade it long? Be my guest, you could trade it. If you do not want to trade it, do not trade it. Because we do not intend to trade gold market on the long side. We will not take any bullish trades on the gold market. But that's our personal view, so personal attitude to current situation. You could get the difference, you could have the different view, you could have different trading style, because we're talking mostly on the weekly, daily trading setups. But on the intraday charts, we have absolutely different picture, so this is very personal. But if you follow us with the daily chart, we call you to not take any long trades, because if you recall what we have on Friday we also said that yes, market maybe will show upward bounce, but to trade it, we need the patterns, but no patterns have been formed, the market has dropped. So the same situation could appear on the daily chart, because the collapse on the gold market is really significant. And it's no guarantee that upward retracement indeed will happen. Market just could drop further. That's why we make no bets on the possible upward action. If it will happen, well, this will be nice, because it will give us opportunity for taking the short. So from that standpoint, we are watching for this level. This is confidence resistance on the daily chart, and also take a look at the trend line of the flag pattern that we have here. So it's logical to suggest that market could retest this area and then drop continuation and show downward continuation. The breaking through this area and moving above the weekly pivot resistance one will be a negative sign for the bearish setup and brings more problem to our bearish scenario, our bearish view. This would be not quite logical. This will be some irrational action. So normal bullish bearish market should not show breakout up and returning back inside of this consolidation. So perfect bearish action will be if market will test this area and starting dropping down. That's what we would like to get, and that was what we will be watching for. Speaking still about the possible upward action, upward patterns, retracement, if you still would like to trade it, so what opportunities do you have? First of all, guys, I would like to say that you should definitely get the pattern on your back. I mean some reversal pattern, some bullish pattern. Do not trade against the trend when you have no patterns, no directional signals by the Napoli, for example. So here you have the thrust down, and market could form some kind of the brand bottom. If market will form the brand bottom right around this area, this will be just perfect, because this will give us a chance to take the short position. On intraday charts, what bullish patterns you could watch for. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this also could be the double repo, because we would like to get retracement significantly higher in the terms of the 4-hour time frame chart. That's why here we will not watch for a brand bottom. Here we will be watching for double repo if you would like to take the long position, because retracement should be significant. Don't forget the market is oversold on a weekly, on a daily chart. In this case, in these circumstances, retracement usually higher than in just common situation. On the hourly chart, guys, market could take the wide V-shape reversal, because currently, guys, it's too few time has passed since market has stopped dropping. No patterns, in fact, we see here, but this widening triangle right at the bottom suggests that it's very probable that market will change the direction by some kind of the wide V-shape reversal. So in the culmination, we could get some kind of the diamond shape or something of that sort. So that's how real upward action could happen. That's what we'll be watching for. But again, guys, this is just the discussion of the upward action and the trading. It stands beyond the scope of current research, current daily video, because we have no intention to do this. I just speaking about it because I know that some of you trading on the intraday charts, and it might be interesting what levels to watch for and how market could show the reversal, what patterns could be formed. But again, we do not have any intention to trade gold on the long side. So as you can see, situation on gold right now is very interesting. That's why we're returning back to discussion of this market on a regular basis. And let's keep watching what we will get. So just to repeat the conclusion of our setup, we would like to get market somewhere in this area during the week end to see that market really is turning down again from that level. Perfectly if we will get the bread and butter sell right in this range. So that's the setup that we will be watching for in the next week.